Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issues of your generic PnP monitor on Windows 11. So let's get started right away. Now, if you're getting issues with your PnP monitor settings on your device, then this is probably because of faulty or outdated drivers. So in order to fix this, right-click on the Start button and then click on Device Manager. Now, from the Device Manager page, hover over to Monitors and click on the Expand button. And now you will see the generic monitor option. Just right click on this and choose the Update Driver button and click on Update Driver, from which you can simply search for the drivers automatically using the internet, or you can locally install them from your device. The first option is recommended as it will check for the latest version. Now if you get this message letting you know that the latest drivers have already been installed, then you can click on Search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Alternatively, you can also search for updates by typing in update within your Windows search. Then click on Check for updates, and now this will check for any updates for any of your devices that may be available on Windows Update. If it is available, then it will begin downloading and installing right away. After this, you will not see any exclamation mark underneath the generic monitor option. Now, if the latest driver versions don't work for some reason, then come back to the Device Manager and then again right-click on Generic Monitor and click on Properties. From here, click on Driver, and if the rollback driver option is available, you can click on this in order to change into a previous version that was much more stable. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix the generic PnP monitor issues on Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.